Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to use Venmo for businesses. Of course, this is going to be pretty much common sense, but I will still explain it for you. So you must get a business profile and we just made a video regarding that, so go check that out. So you can offer new ways to pay in your account in Venmo, and here's an example. So if you have a Venmo account, just upgrade it into a business if you have a business. So right here, it will show your actual business name and how it's protected, and it's 3 years on Venmo and 4,000 plus payments, so it shows details to show transparency. You will have a bio and you can stop by their location by placing your own location, and you can get paid there. So it offers new ways to pay, basically from mobile and scanning a QR or tapping your digital wallet. So you can tap to pay right there. So it's easy and organized, so it's easier to track sales. So you can just make sales anywhere and any time. So you can even use tap to pay like this, and it's polished and professional, so it's pretty much easy to check out the actual payments that were sent to you. You can get started, customize, and publish your profile as easy as 1, 2, 3. So now you should do business with Venmo, which is pretty easy. So as you can see right here, there are some examples that I just showed you on how it works, and just that simple. So that's basically how to use Venmo for business, because of course you're just gonna receive payments basically, but you can do it fancier and in different ways. Since many people use online payments these days, you can use Venmo to speed things up in payments. And there you go guys, if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.